Hi and Assalamualaikum. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my topic today. My name is HANIFAH HADIRAH BINTI Muhammad HISHAM and my student ID number is 2026132981. I am from class M38240 class 2D. And today, I would like to present my video presentation for AGR464. The title for my presentation is Paddy Pest, which is paddy armyworm. I'm preparing this slide especially for my beloved lecturer and the only lecturer for Professor Madya Dr. Siti Nur Hajar Binti Mat Latif. So, first of all, let me tell you the background of the pest. The scientific name, common name, and in order. The common name is paddy armyworm, while the scientific name is Mitimna sporata. The order in is Lepidoptera. So, actually, the paddy armyworm is a serious insect pest that attacks paddy plants and other cereal crops. It is called armyworm because the larvae move in large groups and destroy crops. Next, let's talk about the symptoms of damage. What are these symptoms? First is the leaf-feeding damage. Armyworm larvae chew the leaf surface and edges of the rice plants. Second is the brown or dry patches. Heavy infestation causes sections of the field to dry out, which can be seen from a distance in the paddy field. Third is the seedling destruction. Young rice seedlings may be completely eaten. Paddy areas become bare or empty. The last one is defoliation. Severe attacks remove most of the leaf area, reducing photosynthesis. And to add a little bit notes, heavy attack can reduce rice yield and affect crops. But we are going to talk about the life cycle of paddy armyworm. First of all is the egg stage. Female moth lays eggs on clusters on leaves. Then the eggs hatch within 3 to 7 days, as you can see the picture above. Next is the larva stage, or maybe we call it as a caterpillar stage. The larvae bit aggressively on the paddy leaves. This is the most destructive stage. And then for larva stage lasts around 2 to 3 weeks. It has a very small size compared to human finger, as the picture below. And then for the third stage, we call it as a pupa stage. Mature larvae pupate in the soil or plant debris. Pupal stage lasts about 7 to 14 days. The color can be slightly darker or brighter. The last stage is adult stage. Adult moth emerge from the pupa. The moth is light brown with strong flying ability. Adults reproduce and continue the life cycle. The complete life cycle usually takes about 30 to 40 days depending on environmental conditions. Lastly, we are going to talk about the control management. First, for the cultural control, we have to remove weeds and crop residues around the field. And then, practice proper field sanitation. Use synchronized planting to reduce pest population, and flooding the field can help reduce larvae numbers. Second is chemical control. Apply suitable insecticide when infestation becomes severe. Spray should target young larvae for better effectiveness. Farmers must follow recommended dosage and safety procedures. Lastly is biological control. Natural enemies such as birds, spiders, and parasite wasps help control armyworm populations. Biological pesticides such as Bacillus thuringiensis or BT can also be used. For conclusion, paddy armyworm is an important pest in rice cultivation because it can rapidly damage paddy fields and reduce yield. Early detection and proper management practices such as cultural, biological, and chemical control are important to minimize crop losses and maintain healthy rice products. Thank you for listening and spending your time to my presentation. Any questions may be answered in the comment section. Bye!